Hey everyone, welcome back to IdeaPlex. Today, we're diving into an exciting new AI-powered coding platform, Tempo Labs AI. Over the past week, I've been testing it out, and I have to say, I'm genuinely impressed. From its intuitive UI to the AI-generated components, this platform makes building applications easier than ever. What if you could build a React app faster than it takes to order a coffee? With Tempo, you can design, code, and deploy React apps visually. No coding required. Meet Tempo, an AI-powered visual editor for React. It's like Figma meets VS Code, but with real production-ready code under the hood. Whether you're a designer, PM, or developer, Tempo lets you collaborate visually and ship faster. Edit React code using a drag-and-drop editor that feels like a design tool. Polish and control design details using a visual editor for components, layouts, and styles. Maintain control of your code, choose your hosting infrastructure, and deploy anywhere. Tempo is more like an IDE than a low-code tool. It works with any React codebase, so you're never constrained, it's easy to get started, and you don't get locked in. And today, I'm going to show you how you can build a fully functional React app from scratch using Tempo's AI-powered features. Let's dive in. Alright, so this is Tempo Labs AI. You can access it by clicking the first link in the description below. First, let's sign up for a free Tempo account. If you're a developer, you can even get a pro upgrade by sharing your GitHub email. Logging into Tempo Labs AI using GitHub. To get started, click on the login button and sign in using your GitHub account. Once you're in, click on Create Project. You'll see three options: generate a new app, connect a GitHub repo, or start with a blank canvas. For this tutorial, we'll generate a new app from scratch. The homepage itself is interactive. You can click, drag, and customize elements right away, which is a nice touch. Scrolling down, you'll see a preview of the UI editor and a library of hundreds of pre-built React components that you can integrate into your projects. Now, let's build a simple React app. Just type what you need, and Tempo's AI will generate the code instantly. Think of this like Figma, but for real React code. You can move things around, adjust styling, and even tweak the code manually, all in the same editor. Copy pre-built components from reactcomponents.com and paste them into your project instantly. Once you hit generate, Tempo's AI gets to work. It starts by creating a product requirements document, PRD, followed by a user flow diagram and wireframes. You can see the app structure taking shape in real time. Once that's done, the AI moves to the design phase, generating a real-time preview of the UI. We can see elements like a button, waveform visualizer, and more being created automatically. Not happy with the design? No problem. You can type in specific prompts like redesign the UI with a modern look, and the AI will update the design accordingly. Now comes the fun part: customizing the UI. Tempo's visual editor lets you tweak every aspect of your app, just like you would in Figma. Change colors, adjust spacing, and even add new components with a few clicks. To make our app functional, simply ask the AI to add these features, and it will generate the necessary code. Don't forget to add your key to the environment file. What makes Tempo super powerful is real-time collaboration. Your whole team, PMs, designers, and devs can work together on a live cloud-based dev server, just like Google Docs but for code. Tempo also has built-in version control, so your code stays clean and production-ready. Tempo integrates seamlessly with Supabase, allowing you to add user authentication and database functionality with just a few clicks. And once your app is ready, deploying to Vercel is literally one click. No complicated setup, just hit deploy and your app is live. Thousands of developers and even big teams are already using Tempo. Just check out these amazing projects built with it. And unlike other AI tools, Tempo doesn't just generate code, it gives you a full visual editor that merges design and development seamlessly. More than chat-based code gen, Tempo offers a full design-to-code editor. You get real, production-grade React code in your GitHub repo, no weird formats or separate code bases. To enable authentication, I'll ask the AI to implement user authentication, and it will generate an SQL query. I'll run this query in Supabase's SQL editor, and boom, authentication is set up. Now, users must log in to access the app. Customize your app's design. Want to make sure your app looks perfect on specific devices? Tempo lets you customize the size of your app to match Windows or iPhone dimensions. Simply select the device preset or manually adjust the dimensions in the editor. This ensures your app looks great no matter where it's viewed. Let's test our app and watch as the AI transcribes it. Everything is saved to the database so users can access their notes anytime. Once your app is ready, push it to GitHub and deploy it with one click. Tempo even supports version control so you can track changes and collaborate with your team. And that's it. In just a few steps, we built an AI-powered app with a sleek UI authentication, all thanks to Tempo Labs AI. Now, let's talk pricing. Tempo Labs AI offers a flexible pricing model to suit different needs. Free plan, perfect for beginners, includes limited AI generations and community support. Pro plan, $30 a month, unlocks unlimited AI generations, priority support, and advanced integrations. Enterprise plan, designed for teams with dedicated AI models, on-premise deployment, and premium support. You can check out the full pricing details by clicking the pricing link in the description below. So if you want to build React apps faster, smarter, and visually, check out Tempo today. Don't forget to join their Discord community to connect with other builders and share your projects. Would you use AI to build your next app? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and team. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want me to explore next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.